Welcome to Throwback Thursday. I don't know where this might come from for you, but today's topic is being neurotic or too much, and therefore being unwanted or unlovable. Okay, so even though I'm neurotic, I fully love and accept myself. Even though I'm neurotic, I completely love and accept myself. Even though I'm neurotic, I deeply love and accept myself. Because I'm neurotic, I'm unlovable. Because I'm neurotic, I'm too high maintenance. I'm too high maintenance. I'm too much. Anyway, I'm unwanted, and no one wants me. Because I have insecurities. I am unlovable. Loveable. Because I have insecurities. I'm too much. That's the script for the day.